Hi. Today I'm going to show you what I've been doing with training a wake word detector uh, for my robot Orange. Um, it's called Mycroft Precise, and it's from Mycroft, which is an open source assistant that you can implement yourself, and you can use different hardware, and it's from Mycroft AI. What I have here is some graphs from my tensor board showing the training of this model for the phrase "Hey Orange," which is my robot's wake up phrase. And so I've achieved pretty good results in the 99.7 or so validation accuracy, which is how well the test set or validation set did, um, which is the more important one that you want to look at. And then the validation loss. So it's pretty low, under um, 0.01, under 1%, and I've gotten up to 99.7%, and that's of uh, the validation set, which I chose 20% of the entire um, set, 80% for training and 20% for test. And I don't ever move the tests over. I just make new training data to try to fix or teach it about the false negatives and false positives, which you can see. Here's some of my training, and then the latest, um, some false positives and false negatives. But I've gone through these, and it's I've done enough work on this to get decent results. So I am stopping for a while. One additional word about this is the data. About the data, the training data, I have about 400 and something wake word examples that I recorded a lot myself and got some from my wife, and used some fake voice deep fakes from the internet, and saying "Hey Orange," and from a website that can do that. And then I downloaded, for the non-wake words, um, I have 106,000, and there's some database, some data available free to download with non-verbal sounds, cappuccino machines, and things like an entrance in a church, and what's different noises, and thousands of others, and then a database of words spoken as well that are not related to my wake words. There's a set of 15 words that have quite a few, that many thousands of examples. So that really helps this train the system. So now I'd like to show you the demonstration of what I've created for Orange, which is a wake word listener um, called Mycroft Precise. And I've trained it using several hundred, like 400 or more samples of saying those words from myself and my wife, and from some deep fake celebrity generated um, uh, audio, and also a huge database of non-wake word, uh, non-verbal, 100,000, over 100,000 examples of not the wake words. and along with recording here many non-wake words that set off, that activated the wake word by mistake. And so those you can record in a session or whenever you feel like, by running a script, and it will just record those, save them to disk, and you just say everything but the wake word, and whenever it triggers, it saves that as a non-wake word. So you train with both of these, the wake words and the non-wake words. So what I've done here on Orange is to program the pixel ring on the speaker V2 here to light up in a way similar to Alexa, like that, in a way that indicates when Orange has heard what you're saying. So I'm also using the word orange in sentences to try to show that it's not going to trigger when I describe something about orange. So I'll give a couple commands now. Hey orange. Hey orange. What time is it?
It is Saturday, February 11th at 7:01 p.m. It's evening.
Hey George. Hey John. About George. And so what you see is little white lights will come on when it, based on the confidence of the wake word being heard. And if it makes it all the way to sort of the greater than half, that starts turning orange, and that means the wake word has been heard, and then you should continue with your command. Hey orange. Status. Hey orange. Status.
This is my current status. I'm currently closest to the battery is at 50%. And I'm feeling happy.
So that's about the state it's in now, and it's pretty satisfying. The main benefit here is that it will not start transcribing audio until you say the wake word, and it won't. It will not attempt to process through the VOSC. I'm using VOSC, speech recognition, and so that's the good thing. It takes about 18% of the CPU to do what it's doing now, and it's about the same really as the VOSC, but it won't. The benefits are pretty good in that it reduces the false command processing, which is an annoyance. So there you have it. Thank you.